take all of your seeds and put them into 3 piles. Those being, what's growing on, gardeners? Today I'm going to share with you how to perform a seed audit. If you've been gardening for any number of years and you're starting to collect a bunch of seeds like I have here, I'm going to share with you how to go through them and how to decide or do a seed audit. What you do, take all your seeds and place them into 3 piles. A pile that you don't want to grow in, a pile that you maybe want to grow in, and a pile that you will grow in. The don't grows are ones that you've had bad experiences with. Even though you've tried them for maybe even multiple seasons, that would be something like this Minnesota midget, never growing again. I'm never going to grow this roulette pepper, but I might grow this 5-spot that has beautiful flowers. And so just go through all of your seeds and continue putting them in these 3 different piles, whether it's like a yes, maybe, and no. Then what you'll do is you'll go through your maybe pile and really think about it. Think about what you want to really have in your garden this year, what your goals are, and then decide, should they go in the no pile or should they maybe go in the yes pile. Also, when you're doing a seed audit, look at the dates. That is the second thing. If a seed packet is older than about 5 years, then it's time to get new seed. Like I brought a new seed packet of some tomatoes because they were getting old, and also pelleted seeds, like these petunias. Pelleted seeds are basically only good for the year they are packed. That is another thing you can keep in mind. So I would just go through and also check the dates. Like you can see here, 2022, so this one's only about 2 years old, which is perfectly fine. Most seeds that are 2 years old are still viable, and I'll be going into a different video on how to make sure your seeds are viable, so I encourage you to subscribe to see that video. But just go through, see, like I want to grow this one again, so I'm going to put that in my to grow pile. These Chardonnay melons were excellent, so I'll put them in my maybe. The reason why it's a maybe, because I might be growing a different type of melon. Then like Bush Champion, I don't want to grow bush cucumbers, so I'm going to put that in that pile. Bonnie Best, they were good tomatoes, but they didn't have much flavor, so I'm going to be growing a different. So like this, I'm going to grow a honey rock. So it's just a simple, quick, and easy thing you can do right now during the winter before you order new seeds or buy new seeds, is to go through and do a seed audit. With these seeds, the seeds you don't want to grow, either A, you can just throw them away, B, donate them to your local library to see, but first see if they have a seed library. 3, give them away to friends, or just throw them away if they're like seeds that that don't grow or don't grow well in your climate. Like my Minnesota midget melon, I wouldn't give these to anyone because I don't recommend this to anyone. But other than that, go ahead and try and find a new home for them. You're benefiting yourself by saving yourself time and money when you realize, hey, I didn't want to grow these things, growing only things that you want to grow. Which is the best thing for the garden, because you don't want to waste any space growing things that you don't want, because you'll just regret it. So I hope you liked this video and really got something out of it. It's just a simple task now, seed auditing, going through seeds that might be too old, that you might have run out of, and basically seeds that you do or do not want to grow. And if you want to learn more about how to have a successful garden, you need to watch this video right now, as it will show you some things you can do right now in wintertime to have the best garden ever.